What's going on, guys? It's VK BMX here, and today we're filming a bike check. This is my bike. This is Carter's bike. He's not here right now, so you'll still see his bike check in this video. So first off, at the top, we got the Odyssey Aaron Ross grips with the Odyssey bar ends. Then next, we got my Verde bars. I don't even know how tall they are. Got my Verde stem with the rusted bolts. It's really nice. Then for the front rim, we have a Mission rim with a crown cap and the Mission hub. Then I don't even know what tire this is. It just works. I have the Verde forks. Then I have an FSA headset with a diamond sticker on the front. Then we have an LZ BMX sticker on my Fit frame in blue. It's really nice. I just got this black pivotal seat on the Black Ops seat post with a Fit seat clamp. Then we have the Odyssey Twisted PCs in black with red on the ends. Then we have just regular Verde cranks. Verde 25 tooth sprocket with a random chain that I just got from my local bike shop because this frame didn't come with one. And then I got a couple dents right here. Then we have a peg. I think it's a Haro peg. I don't really know. But yeah, and then in the back we have a Kenda tire. It's decent. Then we have a Mission rim again, and it's pretty loud. I'll try and show you. Yeah, it's pretty loud, and yeah, I think that's it for my bike. We'll be back in a little bit on that bike. Alright, see you in a little bit. Okay guys, so we're back for this second part of the bike check.
Yep. Alright, so we're gonna start down here. So you got the Haro peg. Haro, yeah. Then you got the Verde rim with the Duo tire and no cap and capless. And then you got Mission forks with an LZ BMX sticker. And then you come up here and you have framed, or not yet. Yeah, framed fork bars, and a framed stem with Odyssey grips and Odyssey Allen key bar ends. And then the frame is a Verde 2016. It's gray. And then I have Duo black pedals, Mission cranks, Masterlink chain, Verde gold 25 tooth sprocket, another Haro peg, same rim, so that's Verde rim with a bullet shell cap and a Duo tire. And then I have I don't know what kind of seat clamp this is. And then I have a Black Ops seat post and an Animal Allen key pivotal seat. And it fell. And that's all. I have 2 Verde hubs. Oh god. And that's all for my bike check.
Alright, well, we'll see you guys in the next video.